What's new in Typeform this month? Here's a quick summary of some of our coolest feature releases and updates. Typeform now lets you collect partial response data. You can choose whether you want to include partial responses in your submission count. Simply click to add a question type and select the partial submit point under the form structure section. Then drag and drop to choose where the submission point will be. Every question before the partial submit point will be automatically submitted to results once it's been answered. You'll be able to see whether the response is partial or completed in your results panel. And if the respondent ends up filling in the entire form, their full dataset will be completed in their response entry. Send follow-ups to Slack. You can now send follow-ups to yourself or members of your team directly to Slack. When setting up your follow-ups, click to add an action and select Slack as the action that you want to trigger. Once you've authenticated with Slack, simply select the channels or contact that you'd like to send the follow-up to. Then choose which questions you want to send to Slack. When you get a submission that triggers this follow-up, you'll see it in your Typeform app on Slack. Single question forms can now be submitted from an email embed. When respondents click to answer a form embedded in an email, they'll be redirected to Typeform and their response will automatically be submitted. Create an embedded Typeform directly in your favorite website builder. You can now create, publish, and embed a form directly from Webflow or WordPress. All you have to do is add the Typeform app to your site builder and start creating your form. Once it's ready, simply click Embed and your form will automatically be published and embedded into your site. If you need to go back and edit or replace your form, you can do that from the Apps section of your website. Connect your form to Airtable using OAuth. With the deprecation of Airtable's API keys, we've updated our Airtable integration to make it easier and more secure to integrate with Airtable. Now all you need to do is authorize the Airtable app when connecting the integration. Then you can continue setting up the integration as usual. That's all for this month. Tune in next month for more new and exciting features from Typeform.